I'm here with Leslie Rodden with the Alliance for Education. Leslie, how important are today's event or events like today?
I think the understanding of how education and economics, business, community, health, industry, labor, how we all work together is so vital, especially today. As we look at regionalization for maximizing the work in order to build a healthy community and a community that's educated and skilled and prepared for a quality workforce.
And how does the Alliance for Education, how does that work with in enhancing quality of life here in the region?
Okay. The Alliance for Education is an initiative out of our San Bernardino County Superintendent of Schools office. We have about 1,500 partners, stakeholders from all walks of life, really an incredible amount of leaders who have converged and decided to collaborate in order to build an educated and skilled community that will provide that quality workforce and really strengthen our economy and quality of life here in San Bernardino by educating and by providing technical training in skills so that they're prepared for the 21st century, and working with families so they know how to advocate for their children to ensure that they get what they need and they get equal access to quality education and really understand what the opportunities are for college and careers. And then also bringing relevance to our academics, because 40 to 60% of our secondary students are disengaged from learning. And if they are engaged in learning, they will achieve. And so we're working very hard with our business and community to show how they use mathematics, how they use language arts, how they use science, and the applications of authentic work within the context of the workforce.
Can you tell me what are some of the most difficult challenges that you think lie ahead, and how are you going to try and overcome those challenges?
You know, I think probably one of the biggest challenges we face is communicating with one another and having the time to communicate with one another. In working with families across our county, families are there to support their children for the most part. I mean, they want to help. Businesses want to help. Educators want to make a difference. We need the time to talk, the time to bring the good minds, great minds together in order to innovate, in order to problem solve, in order to think critically about our area and how we can work together to meet the needs. We have the resources. We have the dedicated and impassioned leaders here. This conference here today is what is bringing us together, and I'm looking forward to even more where we can sit and talk and say, let's work together, because we have to.
How important do you think IEEP's role is in this region for trying to accomplish what you just talked about?
Well, I think the conference today just typifies how important their role is in bringing us together. When you're looking at economic recovery, economic strength, you're looking at all of life, a healthy life, a healthy community that is going to rise to the challenges and go forward to really become that community and region that provides the workforce and provides the new innovative businesses that will hopefully be attracted here even more, and that we will really make a difference in our communities and our families' lives.
Because of events like today, are you optimistic for the future?
I am very optimistic. I mean, sometimes we'll get discouraged, and then we have to step back and say, okay, one step at a time. But in all the leaders that I've met who have come here to San Bernardino County and to the Inland Empire region, I hear over and over again, you know, I came here because of the good people, and I'm staying here because of the good people. I was raised here. I took the bus down East Street when I was junior high all by myself and got my little frosted lipsticks and shared with my friends when I got back to school. We have to revitalize that downtown in San Bernardino, but this is a community that works together, and I have so many people from outside our county who say, I can't believe how well you all collaborate here. I'm very optimistic and very encouraged